Today I'm going to guide you through a gentle hypnosis session designed to help you release fatigue and restore your energy. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Ensure you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Take a breath in and just close your eyes gently and slowly exhale. And with the breath, allow your shoulders to drop and your body to begin to relax. Breathe in again, this time imagining that you're breathing in calm and pure energy. Exhale, letting go of any tension or tiredness you may feel. With every breath in, with new energy and oxygen flowing through every muscle, nerve, cell, and fiber of your being, you're releasing with every out-breath any used energy, carbon dioxide, letting go of anything you don't need. Breathing in that calm and new, fresh energy, and letting go of anything that's holding you back. Now move your attention gently to your body, beginning at your feet. Imagine a wave of relaxation traveling upward, slowly through your feet, your calf muscles, your thighs, your hips. Feel them soften and let go. This wave of relaxation continues through your tummy, your lower back, your upper back, your chest, your hands, your arms, your neck, the entire head and face, gently releasing any tension. Through the entirety of your mind, allowing it to calm. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful garden. The sun shines warmly. It's the perfect temperature for you. It fills the space with a golden light. In the center of this garden, there's a crystal clear fountain. This fountain holds pure, revitalizing energy. Imagine stepping toward it. And as you do, you feel lighter and more refreshed with every step that you take. When you reach the fountain, you take a deep breath in, feeling all its refreshing mist surrounding you, all its refreshing, revitalizing energy surrounding your entire being. Now picture yourself touching the water. And as you do, a wave of energy flows through your body. Any fatigue that you had begins to dissolve. Any fatigue or stress or worry or fear or anxiety begins to dissolve. And as it dissolves, it's replaced by a vibrant sense of vitality through every muscle, nerve, cell and fiber of your being, your body, your mind, beginning to feel lighter, clearer, and fully alive. A clarity through your mind. And as that continues, take a moment to affirm these beliefs about yourself, out loud or silently in your mind. I release all feelings of fatigue and welcome vibrant energy. I release all feelings of fatigue and welcome vibrant energy. My mind and body are recharged and refreshed. My mind and body are recharged and refreshed. I am strong, focused, and full of vitality. I am strong, focused, and full of vitality. Energy flows freely through me, renewing every cell. Energy flows freely through me, renewing every cell. Visualize that energy flowing freely through you, renewing every cell in your mind and your body, giving you strength, energy, clarity. I release all feelings of fatigue and welcome new, vibrant energy. From now on, you will continue to release all feelings of fatigue and enjoy vibrant energy. Your mind and body will become fully recharged and refreshed. You're becoming strong and focused and full of vitality. Energy now will flow freely through you, renewing and revitalizing every cell. Visualize that new energy through the entirety of your mind and body, your whole body, your whole body, your whole body. Now it's time to return to the present, bringing all of this renewed energy with you. Begin to notice the surface you're resting on, the sounds around you, wiggling your fingers and toes, reconnecting with your body, Take a deep, energizing breath and feel this renewed energy flowing through you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, awake, alert, and ready to embrace the rest of your day. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to recharge.